What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have another exciting Rosalind video for you guys. They were so kind to send me this kit again, and so thank you so much, Rosalind. I have been enjoying working with you guys. Before I show you what I got, I want to ask if you could please give me a like and to subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump into this. This is the beautiful set that I chose out. These are pastel neon colors and it comes in a pack of 6, and I absolutely love these colors. As soon as I saw it, I knew this was the one that I wanted. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but the set that I came up with, I'm absolutely obsessed with. This is the thumbnail. I like to do my thumbnails for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, so if you want to see how I did this one, just go there to see. So like all my other nail sets, this is another beginner friendly set. I'm gonna do ombres on 2 of the nails, so I did it on the index finger and the ring finger. For the ombre, I like to use my ombre brush from Glam, and to achieve the best ombre, I like to hold it at the very end of the brush, so that way the pressure that I'm putting on the nail is very light. As you can see, I'm using this very pretty mint green color along with this coral, and I absolutely love the combination of this too. So both of the ombre nails, one of them is going to be inverted, so one will be green to coral and the other will be coral to green. I get such watermelon vibes from this set, so if you wanted to, you could totally make this like a watermelon inspired set and it would look so cool. By the way, I am kind of getting sick and I have a little bit of sore throat, so you'll have to excuse me if I sound weird. For the other 2 nails, which are the middle finger and the pinky, I wanted to do a solid color of each. So the middle finger was this mint green and the pinky was the coral. All of the nails are going to be matte, so I went in with this velvet top coat from Charme, and I applied a thin even layer to each nail and cured it for 60 seconds. I'm going to be adding some charms onto the ombre nails, so before I cure the matte top coat, I'm going to be applying my charms, so that's going to be my adhesive. If you're planning on wearing this, I would recommend using an actual rhinestone glue, but since this was just for the sake of this video, all I needed was the top coat to hold it in place. I got these charms off of Shein, so they will definitely be down below, and I thought the rose gold would look so good with these 2 colors, and it did, so I'm very happy with the way these came out. There are so many different shapes. They have moons, stars, hearts, they have these feathers, palm trees, squares. They have so many different shapes in this kit, and that's why I love this. I felt like the middle and the pinky fingers were a little bit too plain, just being the solid color, so I decided to add this little half circle at the bottom of the nails, and I think it was a great addition. if you're interested in any of these Rosalind products, I do have a discount code which I will put here and in the description box below. It will get you 10% off your order, so definitely take advantage. These are already affordable as it is, so this is just giving you a little bit extra off your purchase. And here is the final nail set. This set is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with the way it came out. I had no idea where I was going with it. I kept it simple but still dressy enough to where it looked special, if you know what I mean. So I'm really happy with it. The gels are so nice to work with. They're very creamy, they're very pigmented if you did not notice. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys try some of these. Thank you again to Rosalind for sending me these gels and for working with me. And thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me as always. If you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!